Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2003 Suzuki Quadsport 400 Sport Quad. This thing is in really great condition. It's got the Nerf bars, plastics are great, seat cover's great, electric start, runs beautiful, brand new chain. Come on by and make your off-road green sticker quad dreams come true for just $32.99. It's a little bit too old to get financing on this one, but come on by for this low price Quad Sport 400. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.